Hi, math classes. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, good afternoon if you're my afternoon class. We're going to try something a little different today. I'm actually going to teach you something new here on this video, and then you are going to apply it to the activity that the sub will be passing out pretty soon if she's not already. So don't be, frustrated if you're not quite understanding it yet. We just started division. So if you have any questions, just save them. I'll be back tomorrow. Mr. Young will be back tomorrow for my afternoon class, and we can help you then. But I think that you'll be okay with this. So I'm actually going to backtrack a little bit and talk about multiplication, because we know how to multiply something like, let's say, 3 times 500. We know that when we do that, we multiply the basic fact. 3 times 5 is 15, and then we count our zeros. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. That's no problem. We can do that. Even if we see, let's say, 60 times 400, same thing. Multiply the basic fact to be 24, and we total up our zeros. We add them all together. So 3 zeros would be 24,000. Now, that's when we multiply, but we know that division is the opposite of multiplication. So instead of adding up all our zeros, it'll be a little different. This time, if we have something that looks like this, 1,800 divided by 90, we will still look for the basic fact, 18 divided by 9. Hopefully you know your facts and you know that that's 2. And instead of adding our zeros and putting 3 zeros at the end, we're actually going to subtract them. So I have 2 zeros here and I have 1 0 here. 2 minus 1 is 1, so I will only have 1 0 in my quotient, which is the answer to a division problem. And remember, if we work backwards, we can say we know that 20 times 90, if I were to solve that, 2 times 9 is 18. Add my zeros because I'm multiplying. I should get my first number, which is also called my dividend. So you can always check with multiplication. So I'll do a few more examples with you. So if I have 32,000 divided by 400, let's say. Same thing, underline or box in your basic fact, 32 divided by 4. Yesterday we worked on how to solve that if you're not sure. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And then I'm going to subtract my zeros. You can even write the number of zeros up above if you'd like. So I have 3 zeros here and I have 2 zeros here. 3 minus 2 is 1, so I will only have 1 0 in my answer. And again, working backwards, 8 times 4 is 32. 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros. So you can very easily check it that way. Okay, just a couple more here. What if we did 33, how about 330,000? We'll go with a big one. 330,000 divided by 1,100. Underline your basic fact. 33 divided by 11 is 3. And then subtract my zeros. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros minus 1, 2, 2 zeros means I have 2 zeros in my answer. There's one more I want to show you that might be a little tricky. Let's say I have 20,000 divided by 50. When I'm looking for my basic fact, first I might say 2 divided by 5, I can't do that. So if you can't do it, or if that comes into your mind and you say, I'm a little confused, I'm not sure what to do, try adding the next 0 to your first number. What if my basic fact was 20 divided by 5? That I can do. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now, when I'm counting my zeros, I've already used that first 0 in my 20, so I will not count that. I have 3 zeros after the basic fact, minus 1 0 here, which would mean 2 zeros in my quotient. So what you're going to be doing, and if you finish the video and you don't have the worksheet, you can ask the substitute for it, or she might be passing it out now, is you are going to be doing another one of these coloring puzzles that we've done these before. So up here are all of the problems. So 5,600 divided by 80 with your pencil, please not with any colors, with just a regular pencil. You can even box in or underline the basic fact. 56 divided by 8, put your answer here, and then subtract your zeros. 2 zeros minus 1 0, and put the correct number of zeros. We've done these before. Anytime you see the quotient down below, you will color that pink. All of these answers will be pink. All of these will be blue, yellow, and black. And each page is different. There are, I think, 5 or 6 different puzzles out there. So again, you don't have the same problems or picture as last time. And yes, it does say up here, color to reveal the emoji. They are emojis. I promise they're different emojis than last time. I wouldn't give you the same ones, definitely not. So you will have a front and a back, so you'll have 2 of them that you can do, which won't be too bad. I mean, this is only 12 problems per page. That's only 24 problems. And then some coloring. The coloring utensils should be over on table 7. I just looked over there. They're not yet. They will be, though, I promise, before you get to math class. If you finish both sides, hand that in either on the front table or give it to the substitute, whatever she wants, and then you can get on Freckle and until the class is over. I'll put some assignments up there so you have a little bit of extra coins to earn. Again, if you're having trouble with this, we will work on it a little bit on Thursday, so no worries, but I think you're going to rock it. All right, have a great Wednesday. See you tomorrow.